Hey there, I've spent hours testing and using these CB radios so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. As a trucker, I know how crucial reliable communication is while on the road. Whether you're navigating through mountains or trying to dodge traffic, having the right CB radio can make all the difference. Let's dive into my top 5 picks that I truly believe will keep you connected and safe. Product number 1, Cobra HHRT50 Road Trip CB Radio. When I first got my hands on the Cobra HHRT50 Road Trip CB radio, I was genuinely excited. This isn't just another radio, it's designed specifically with truckers in mind. The handheld design is super convenient, especially when you're on the move. I remember the first time I used it. I was driving through a remote area, and the magnetic mount antenna made all the difference. I simply stuck it to the roof of my truck, and instantly I felt a sense of security knowing I could communicate clearly. The 40 channels are easily accessible, and I love the sound tracker system that filters out the noise, really improved my conversations. Plus, if you're like me and concerned about sudden weather changes, the NOAA Weather Alerts feature kept me updated on any incoming storms. However, like any product, it has its pros and cons. On the plus side, the compact design is a big win for those of us with limited space. The omnidirectional microphone was a game changer, capturing my voice from all angles without the typical wind or background noise interference. The dual watch feature allowed me to monitor 2 channels, which was handy during busy times on the road. On the downside, the talking range of 5 miles can feel limiting, especially in open areas where you expect to reach further. Also, while the magnetic antenna is great, I found it could easily be dislodged if you're driving on rough terrain. So why should you buy the Cobra HHRT? If you're a trucker looking for a reliable, easy-to-use handheld CB radio that keeps you connected without the fuss, this is it. It's perfect for emergency situations and daily communication, ensuring you're well-informed and safe as you navigate the highways. Product number 2, Cobra 29 LTD Chrome AM/FM Professional CB Radio. The Cobra 29 LTD Chrome is a classic that has stood the test of time. I remember seeing this model in many trucks when I first hit the road, and there's a good reason for that. The chrome finish gives it a professional look and it feels solid and durable. The first time I turned it on, I appreciated how easy it was to operate even while driving. The ergonomic design means you can access the controls without taking your eyes off the road. One of my favorite features is the dual mode operation, allowing access to both AM and FM channels. This flexibility is crucial for staying connected with a broader range of users. I was impressed with the clarity of the sound, it's truly top-notch. And let's not forget the instant access to Channel 9, which is a lifesaver during emergencies. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. While it has a talking range of up to 30 miles, I found that it sometimes struggled in heavily congested areas. The SWR calibration feature is excellent for optimizing antenna performance, but it requires a little know-how to get it right. So why buy the Cobra 29 LTD Chrome? If you want a reliable, professional-grade CB radio that has a reputation for performance and durability, this is your go-to option. It's built to last and handles the requirements of long-haul trucking effortlessly, making it a worthwhile investment. Product number 3, Cobra 29 NW AM/FM Classic Professional CB Radio. If you're looking for a classic with a modern twist, the Cobra 29 NW is an excellent choice. When I first plugged it in, the night watch illumination feature impressed me. Driving at night can be tricky, but the illuminated display made it easy to see everything without being blinded by bright lights. The 4 watts of power mean you can stay connected over long distances, and the ergonomic controls made it easy to operate even while navigating tricky roads. I particularly like the SWR calibration feature. It ensures you're getting the most out of your antenna, which is crucial for maintaining a strong signal. However, there are some downsides. The talking range of 20 miles is decent, but it can be limiting depending on your route. Also, while the design is user-friendly, the microphone cable could be a tad longer for larger vehicles. In conclusion, the Cobra 29 NW is a solid investment for any trucker. It combines classic reliability with modern features, ensuring you're connected and informed while on the road. If you want something that performs well at night and has all the essential functionalities, this is the radio for you. Product number 4, Retevis MB3A 40-channel AM/FM CB radio kit. I stumbled upon the Retevis MB3A and I was pleasantly surprised by its performance. One of the standout features is the long-range capability, thanks to the included antenna. This was evident during my test drive when I managed to communicate effectively even at a distance. The dual-mode AM/FM feature is a fantastic addition, giving you the flexibility to switch based on your needs. The sound quality is impressive, and the built-in noise limiter ensures that engine and wind noise don't drown out conversations. I found the compact size to be a major plus. It fit neatly into my truck without taking up too much space. The kit even includes a 12V 24V power option, so it adapts well whether you're in a car or a truck, which is super convenient. However, it's worth noting that this radio isn't water resistant, so if you're working in wet conditions, you might have to be cautious. The installation process is relatively simple, but it requires a bit of space to fit the antenna. So why should you consider the Retevis MB3A? If you're looking for an affordable yet reliable CB radio that's easy to install and offers great sound, this is your best bet. It's perfect for those who want a practical solution without breaking the bank, making it ideal for new truckers or those on a budget. Product number 5, Cobra HH50 WXSD Handheld CB Radio. The Cobra HH50 WXSD has become my go-to handheld radio. Its compact design means I can carry it anywhere, which is a huge advantage for truckers like me who sometimes need to step outside the truck for quick communications. The NOAA weather alerts are a lifesaver, especially when unexpected weather changes occur. I remember driving through a stormy area and the radio kept me updated with real-time alerts. The dual watch feature is also a major plus, letting me monitor 2 channels simultaneously. I was able to stay in touch with fellow truckers while keeping an eye on emergency frequencies. However, the 20-mile talking range might be a limitation for some. It's sufficient for most situations, but if you're in an open area, you might wish for a bit more range. Additionally, the handheld design, while convenient, may require you to recharge it more often than fixed radios. In conclusion, the Cobra HH50 WXSD is a fantastic option for truckers who need portability without sacrificing functionality. It combines essential features with a user-friendly design, making it a reliable companion on the road. If you value the ability to communicate easily while on the go, this handheld radio is worth considering. So there you have it, my top 5 CB radios for truckers. Each one has its unique features and advantages, ensuring you have reliable communication while you're out on the road. Whether you prefer a handheld model or a classic fixed radio, there's something here for everyone. Remember, investing in a good CB radio means staying connected and safe, so choose wisely. Drive safe and happy trucking.